yeah. Bomb Daddy. Everyone, it's Boy Bly here with IronCross Racing, coming to you with a Ferrari. Now, coming to you from the Texas Hill Country. Just thought I'd take a little quick jaunt today. Kind of missed my window of opportunity because missed my window of opportunity yesterday, which was a beautiful day to go riding, because I was at the dealership for a good few hours getting the new bars installed. Now, I know I had mentioned that I was thinking about doing these myself, and it's a very simple installation, and there's plenty of videos out there already to show you how to install bars on a Road King. But I particularly just didn't feel like it.
Son of a bitch! You done messed up, Aaron!
It's getting kind of hot here in South Texas. The garage isn't air conditioned, and yeah, I just decided to take it on down and have them deal with it. Even though these KST Vanguard series Spearhead bars were not supposed to require any cable extensions, they actually did need electrical extensions. And I also got a pair of chrome housings for my switches, initially from Kuryakyn, but they didn't fit 100%. So I'll be sending those back, and I ended up going with the Harley-Davidson. Now, I was also thinking about doing the chrome buttons, but actually, because of my Kuryakyn grips that have the black and the silver, it actually all kinds of goes. So I'm thinking about just leaving them for the moment. And I'm trying to figure out a way of chroming out, instead of buying whole chrome reservoirs, it's just they have covers that you can get for them, maybe chroming that out. But the bars are definitely taller. My hands now are at level with my shoulders, is kind of what I was going for. They're definitely a bit wider. But what's cool about these bars is you can adjust them, as you can see down here. There's 2 bolts go on either side, and you can adjust in and out and forward and back. So it gives you a lot of customization on what you can do with these bars. And guess what? They're chrome! Woohoo! I didn't have to worry about finding a chromer, because that was a big pain in the ass. Damn! So I'm just glad they're finally done. I'm just out here kind of testing, seeing how my hands feel, seeing how the bike handles. I do think I need to adjust my the controls up a little bit, because it seems to be a little low. This would be nice to be nice to raise them up a little bit, so a little bit more straight out, because I think that's kind of what more I'm used to. Clutch isn't too bad, but the brake definitely is a little bit low, having me to reach over to grab the front of it here. I'll have to do some longer rides just to kind of see, like, long distance. Not like it affects my back anymore. Now, one thing I was pleasantly surprised on is I could actually push them forward a lot more than I thought I was going to be able to. Because I was afraid, because of the windshield, that they'd have to be angled back a little bit more in line with the forks. That wasn't necessarily the case. I was able to actually push them quite a bit to where they're barely touching the windscreen right now. And so that way, when I take the windscreen off, it has a little bit more of an aggressive look to it. Uh-oh. I feel water. Run away! Run away! Run away!
Run away! Run away! Run away!
I don't play the water game. Let's try not to drop the bike. Don't drop the bike. A little off-road, just don't drop the bike. Okay, let's get out of the water. I want to test bars, I don't want to wash bikes. Yeah, lately in South Texas, it has been freaking hit and miss with the freaking rain. Some people might like it, but I'm like, f shit. F the rain. I don't care if the shit dries up. I don't care if we go into a drought. Dry ass dude. That's all I gotta say. I don't want to be doing this rain bullshit all the time. If you want to rain, do it in wintertime. Freaking spring, when temperatures are just starting to get a little warm and stuff like that, do not need to be doing the rain thing all long. Want to ride, want to be dealing with the rain. So on a positive note, got signed up for the Bring It Home ride, so looking forward to that. Gonna see a lot of you motovlogging folk out there. Be a freaking good time, even though it's going to be a couple days. All I can say, it's going to be some action-packed Saturday for sure. Probably Friday as well. But we're going to have an early start on Saturday, so we'll have to see how. Sign up already for the Bring It Home ride. You guys should. If you're a Harley owner, on the Harley-Davidson, because only Harley-Davidsons will be allowed to participate in the record-setting attempt for the world's longest parade of Harley-Davidsons. I have a very strong feeling that we will be breaking it this year. Last year it turned into such a huge event after the fact that I think a lot of people were like, damn, should have went. But I didn't. So I think all those folks now are gonna wanna try to go. I'm anticipating, I don't know, early numbers for the event. 3,000 to 4,000. How about that? That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, bars aren't too bad. It feels fine. Just gonna have to get used to it. Just like anything with a bike. You add something new to a bike, your body just has to adjust to it, you know? Different bikes you have to adjust to. Like I remember when I first got the Harley, my hands were like, what the hell's with this clutch pull? It was like I'm pulling 50 pounds on this damn hydraulic clutch. But after about a month, no big deal. Body just got used to it. Oh, the Silver Bullet's humming along. Love this Road King. Nice bike. Well, folks, that's it for me for now. It's a little short one for you guys. Show you my new bar action. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. This is Bly with IronCross Racing. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell notification, as I release a new video quite often. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys all later. Peace.